So I highly recommend it. I think it's great for this part too. Great. What more could you ask?
Well, I went through a whole thing. I'm diabetic.
Uh-huh.
I've had
That's why
diabetes.
our big,
Okay,
that's why our
yeah.
big
Okay. Yeah.
interest in
Ah.
how glycolysis doesn't
Okay.
work in diabetic.
Yeah. So when how they found it is I was so skinny. My mom wore glasses because she was crying. She thought I had cancer, and I was drinking literally gallons and gallons of, well, see, we didn't know what it was. So it was
Yeah.
Pepsi's, Cokes, whatever you want,
yeah.
just liquids like crazy.
Mhm.
That wasn't breaking down. I kept getting skinnier, skinnier.
Yeah.
Started seeing my pulse. So anyway, the last test that they did was the
Yeah.
blood sugar, and they found it sky high. Oh, we found out what your problem is. Take this little against. Okay, so all through high school, I was trying to, it still wasn't in a
Balance.
right balance
Mhm.
because I was still skinny. I was 6'1", 140 pounds. I went into law enforcement. The only reason I bought bulletproof vest was to make it look like I had a little meat on it. Right? Okay. Well, then as I knew more, they said insulin.
Yeah.
It's a protein. It doesn't hurt you. Take more insulin. Well, then it was easy. Have a hamburger.
Yeah.
Have some insulin.
That's
Pretty
right.
soon I was filling out, and I got out of my small t-shirts, and everything was great. And it kept going. Well, this is easy. Blood tests were good.
Uh-huh.
The triglyceride, all of it was good. But I was going boom, boom, boom,
Yep.
boom.
Yep.
See, up to 244 pounds or whatever.
Wow.
Then finally I said, okay,
Yep.
something's got to change here, and that's where.
So here, since you mentioned that, now I've got to really jump on that and piggyback. Exercise inserts insulin receptors in the membranes of the appropriate cells in your body. So it makes a person more sensitive to lower amounts of insulin. Exercise is the answer to whatever
It's
question.
crazy how his blood sugar
So-
reacts
so,
to
yes,
exercise.
Yeah, so see that by increasing insulin sensitivity by a behavioral change, what more can you ask for?
Yeah, so it's got to be consistent. What
It
I'm
needs to
finding
be
out,
consistent,
my
yes.
exercise, because if I stop exercising,
Oh, yes.
then I've got to adjust my insulin to bring the glucose down, and
It's
then
not as,
it's
it's not
just,
as efficient.
I get it.
right. So yeah, very very interesting. And I've dropped 60 pounds.
Oh.
So through exercise and
Mhm.
the key and watching.
Yeah, and of course, when you get old, your bones get weaker. So if you do strength training, that strengthens your bones, which is a good thing too. So it's just all good. So thanks for coming, folks, on Saturday.
Thank you for coming.